Find reviews that most people are talking about. CST Berger RL25HVCK Horizontal Vertical, Interior Exterior Rotary Laser Complete Kit. You can find what do you want. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. CST Berger RL25HVCK Exterior Self-Leveling Rotary Laser Complete Kit has a rugged design to handle the extreme job site environment. 3/32 inches leveling accuracy and extended range of 2000 feet. Single-axis slope control allows you to change the slope of the laser, making complex leveling applications a breeze. Adds, anti-drift system, alerts user when laser has drifted from benchmark. Offers horizontal and vertical self-leveling to reach level, aligned and square. Single-axis slope control in manual grade mode allows you to change the slope of the beam. Anti-drift feature powers down the laser if the unit is bumped or drifted from the benchmark to ensure accuracy. For exterior leveling projects such as excavating footings, foundations, site work, and grading, with Bosch laser technology, users are able to be more productive and more profitable with greater accuracy and precision on the job site. By offering an extensive range of line lasers, laser measures, rotary lasers, point lasers, digital levels, optical levels, and measuring tool accessories, Bosch is able to provide solutions for a wide variety of applications. With Bosch measuring tools, users are able to work smarter, not harder. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions.